Hey traders, welcome to my channel. Are you struggling to grow your account and looking for a proven trading strategy? In this video, I'll show you a simple yet powerful technique to turn small accounts into big profits. Stick around because I'm about to share something that can change your trading game. Before we dive in, here's why you should listen to me. I've been trading for X years and months and have tested dozens of strategies to find what actually works. I've even grown $40 to $200 in just 1 week using this method, and I'm here to help you do the same. Let's get into it. The strategy revolves around trading gold on the 1-hour chart, combined with the EMA 28 close. Here's how it works. 1. Step 1. Identify the trend. Wait for the market to cross the EMA. This tells you whether to look for buys or sells. Step 2. Break of structure. Look for a clear breakout to confirm momentum. Step 3. The retest. Wait for price to retest a key resistance or support zone that aligns with the EMA. Step 4. Enter the trade. Enter only after you see rejection on the retest. Your stop loss goes just above or below the zone to manage risk. Here's the important part: risk management. I personally risk no more than 10% per trade on a $100 account. Always use a stop loss and never over-leverage. It's not just about winning trades but keeping your account safe while you grow. Now it's your turn to try this strategy. Comment below and let me know how it works for you. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more strategies, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Also, check out my TikTok for daily trading tips and signals. Links are in the description. Let's grow together and dominate the markets.